All right, welcome back. It's week 3, day 2. We're going to continue to try to refactor our code, turn this, basically start using the to-do app object in our program. So right now we've got it almost completely separated, and this is it's only been 24 hours since I worked on this, but it is difficult to kind of jump back into it, I'm noticing. I know that there are some things that I need to do. One of them is to use this saved data with our object down here. Do we have the save list stuff? We have this saved inside of our to-do app. I don't know if that's the right move. If save should be something else, but I don't really know. Then this app part, the event listeners, we need to connect the event listeners to connect event listeners to our new do app object. And is it to-dos app? No, just to-do app. Okay. So first thing, if we're going to start using this, it says to-do data. And we have this in here as to-dos data, save to-dos. I know I did this because I was just like testing it out. That did work. So I'm just going to take that out and make it to-do data. And then we want to first get the save to-do data, and we're going to say we should be able to save to-dos. Right? Retrieve to-dos, local storage, get item, to-do data. No, we got to do something with it, right? Don't we have to set this equal? We're going to have to set this equal, so it should be this dot to-dos equals, so they've got to make this equal to that retrieve to-dos. So down here, save data, we get that. Maybe we need this. We need that to be a part of it. Like, maybe we gotta this whole bit here, because we want to basically have saved data, and we want to determine, since we already got the to-do data, then we want to parse the saved data if and then we're going to have this dot to-dos will equal saved data. All right, so then that should make it so that we get the to-dos. We shouldn't need this part anymore. That's happening within our object. We got this save function. We've got the retrieve function. we don't have clear all to-dos, but clear all to-dos say list do's. With this, we should have access to this to-dos. So in our retrieve to-dos, I guess in our let's do a clear all to-dos. And then what do we don't need to pass in to-dos anymore. We just need to make this to-dos. We make our to-dos. Maybe we set the to-dos and then we retrieve them. That seems weird, bro. All we should have to do is set our to-dos and then save to-dos. Save to-dos will be, we set it to this to-dos. So clear all to-dos should be equal to this dot to-dos equals an empty array, and then we say this dot save to-dos. Right? That seems reasonable. I guess we should check in to see if we are still have anything. Well, I want to be able to run this in the browser. So handle clear all to-dos is basically then a function that shows the to-dos after we clear all the to-dos. I guess we add to do. We already created add to do. We already created remove to do. We already created show to do. Handle add to do. That's another like helper function. We'll leave it there, but it's kind of gonna help. Now we can kind of get into it. So this should be do app dot show to do add button event listener handle add to do handle and add to do should be to take in the to do text, and then it should say to do's at dot or to do at dot add to do with the to do tags, and then to do at show to do's. Should work. Let's fix this. We don't need the to do's because we've got the list, so this no longer needs to do sent to it. We are going to do to do at clear all to do's and do at go to do's. Why does clear all? Is it clear all to do's? Do at clear all to do's. It's a property. Why it's green like that? Okay, we've got that, and then do handle to do add to do input dot value, passing that to handle add to do. Okay, to do that. Handle clear all to dos. We no longer need to send. Handle clear all to dos a to dos list. And delete list item. List item equals event. List item dot remove. That's all just to delete. All right, so now we want to all right, we want to see if this works. So I got a pack for the beach. Seems like this is working. Delete. Remove to do is not defined. Okay. Let's check this out. Remove to do. Yes, that's right. It just needs to be to do pack. Remove to do. Anything else like that? Okay, let's try that again. Let's refresh. So pack for the beach. Delete. Do app dot remove to do is not a function. Remove to do. No, did we call it delete to do? We did. We call it delete to do all of a sudden. So back for the beat. Then it's really just time for bed. Probably watch some TV since it's Saturday with Rachel. You need to make it so when I hit enter, also be some quality of life features, brush teeth, and go. No, I better check the chickens. Check the chicken. All right, so now we are not persisting data. So I think it's because we're not calling that anywhere. We have the stuff, but we took that part out for whatever reason. We have init. We need like an init function. where we start the data up, basically. We have this. And we should just be able to retrieve the to-dos. Nice. So they were there, they were getting added, but we weren't pulling them back in. So let's say, I'll just test delete so we can truthfully add something off of that and refresh. Looks like it just didn't. Now let's clear all, refresh. Appears to be working. Test, um, test one. All right, so kind of a quick lesson, 15 minutes, and hopefully it was more of a lesson for me, but that's pretty much what this is that I am learning and I'm doing my best to grind through this and figure this out. So thanks for joining me, and let's look at what next class is going to be about. Um, I'm going to take a look at this in the object methods. And we're going to try to add some new features, like instead of deleting stuff, like crossing it out. And then so we can see the things that we've done, like checking off to-dos and then only looking at to-dos that are complete, or only looking to-dos that are not complete, or looking at all the to-dos, that kind of thing. So looking forward to that. All right. We'll see you next time.